Good morning, Legacy. Good morning, YouTube. We're back once again. It is Wednesday, April 8th, 2026. We're going to try printing some money today. Hopefully, you guys had a solid evening, good day yesterday in the markets. If you didn't, that's okay. Today, we got a brand new clean slate for us. We're going to have some fun. We're going to focus on our A++ setups today to execute. That's all we got to do today. Base hits, folks. Base hits. So we can get to those payouts and withdrawals. You know what I'm saying? And I'll wait till 9:25 here to start giving some stats on the market. Last night, the Nasdaq. That thing pumped close to like 800 points, over 800 points, everything like that. So it's going to be one of those things where today we're going to hope that does not chop so we can get some moves today. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, folks. What's up, Travis? Good morning, Brett. Forecaster. We're trading Nasdaq, bro. What's up, Smooth? Good morning, Yaz. Good morning. Well, at least y'all were able to catch it. I don't trade the overnight sessions. But when I saw it last night, when we were streaming last night, I'm like, dang, I missed out. So hopefully today we get some good movement. I just don't want chop today. That's my whole thing. I don't want chop today. So we're going to see what we get. Not risking it for the biscuit. Just simple A++ setup so we can get some payouts. That's it. Are all you guys ready to execute A++ setups today? That should be a yes from everybody because we're not risking it. Hey, I love that, yes. What part of London you in? Oh, you said London. My bad. I'm still waking up, folks. I'm still waking up. I may actually be in London in July. I'm going to be in Europe for 3 weeks. So we'll be in Portugal, we'll be in Spain. And then we'll be moving about as well over there for a little bit. Ceasefire with Iran. The Hormuz is being open for 2 weeks with the ceasefire for the 2 weeks. So that's what pumped the markets. The market pumped, oil was coming down. So we already know. Should be a good old day for us. I just want to see A++ setups. That's it. Your boy's working on a couple payouts. Did I know about it? I saw the pump last night on the Traders Hangout. I was like, dang, that thing kept on going. But I don't trade the overnight sessions. So even though I saw, I would not trade it, sadly. Unless I was there right for the first initial pump. But I wasn't. No, 100%. Over like 800 points. I think 1,000 to be honest with you. Close to 1,000 points. Which is wildness. That's literally like when Trump came out talking about tariffs. Originally, the market dumped like 1,000 points. So that's literally what it was. Hey, at least you saw it, you knew it. So next time you see it, you'll be able to take it. Hey, let's go, Yaz. Congrats. What firm did you get it with? Good morning, Niner. How are those kids treating you, bro? Lucid, nice, bro.
Morning, fellas.
Good morning, G. Steve will be here a little bit later. He's in an appointment this morning. You ready to execute today, bro?
Yes, sir.
Let's get it. Let's get it. We had, not sure if you looked at the markets yet today. We had that massive pump up last night when Trump came out talking about a ceasefire with Iran and they're going to open the Hormuz for 2 weeks. So everything pumped. Well, the Nasdaq pump. Can't talk about everything. Yes. So for a 2K payout, you have to put in the account 4K. And that's the max payout that they do as well on the 50K. All right, it's 9:25. Let me give you some stats for everything with the market. Right now, we got the overnight high, 25,257. 25,257. The VWAP is currently sitting at 25,067.5. 25,067.5. That's the VWAP. We do have a pivot sitting at 25,096.75. Let me find the 21 EMA. Gotta make it bigger so I could really see it. There we go. 25,215 for the 21 EMA there. And you guys are gonna laugh at this one. Hold on. The close from yesterday. 24,399.25. 24,399.25 was the close from yesterday. So I guess we went up quite a bit. So we got this massive gap up here. Do I see the market going down? With the pump, we may have a slight retracement, but I don't see it coming. That's just me. Because we pumped in both overnight sessions. I don't see the New York session just dropping like it's hot. So we wait. We're waiting for base hits, A++ setups to execute. That's it. Don't risk it for the biscuit and you'll actually get results. That's it. Oh, finally kicked that food poisoning late yesterday. So happy about that because that was rough. It was rough, boys. Looking at these charts, we're good there. I got one more Pedialyte in my fridge, but it's not necessary right now. At least I don't think it's necessary. I may save that for after the gym. Good morning, Kingdom, what are you looking at, bro? We're looking at the Nasdaq this morning, sir. Good morning. Izzy, remember base hits today, bro. Base hits. Don't get in the chop. Base freaking hits. Hey, day 2. Let's get to day 3, bro. BP was here yesterday. He woke up late. He didn't sleep well or something like that. What's up, Rob? Good morning. The top chart's not a time frame, sir. And watch your language in my chat. Hey, let's go, Hey, we'll take that. Honestly, if you made that for the London session, bro, don't even trade. Lock that profit in. Come back tomorrow. Because it still would just count as one day if you trade more. There's market open. Woo! Alrighty. So it begins. Alrighty, market's open. Let's see what we get. Yeah, I'm praying, baby Jesus, that we don't chop today. With the big pump up on both overnight sessions. Yeah, I put it away for hey, all right, cool. My bad, Kingdom. My bad. Listen, you can't do me like that. You gotta spell it out on these streams. I'm reading way too many chats. My bad, bro. Good morning. What's up, Red? Hey, Red, at least there's no ads during the stream, right? What's up, Kazim? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, Mooser. What's the other chat you're in? Is it the LWS chat? I have all the chats pulled up in one, Travis. So since we have multiple streams going, I have multiple chats all together. All right, well, we're coming on down here. Oh, boys, this is, I wait the first 15, but look at this, like that little pullback. Got your boy tempted. But we're gonna wait first 15 minutes. Gotta get ad blocker. I forgot ads were a thing. Oh, what do you mean an ad blocker, Smooth? Good morning, Brent. I have ads just on the beginnings of the streams. Before the stream starts, that's why we do it at 9:20. Everybody could watch their 1 or 2 ads, or for Red, it was 3 this morning. I don't have control of how many ads they show you guys, but I have control of it not being on the actual stream itself. Oh, gotcha, Smooth. Yo, this is so hard for me not to jump in. But I'm gonna wait. I gotta wait. Caesar, I'm not jumping in. Your boy wants to. You know what I'm saying? Your boy wants to. But I ain't going to. I just love seeing some movement. It gets me all excited. That's all. Top of the morning, brother. What's your setup? Very simple. The top chart are Renko bars. The 2 bottom charts, that's the 2-minute, the 5-minute that you guys are watching. Those are my standard candlesticks. So Renko bars, I'm looking for momentum. On the bottom charts, I'm looking for my flags. I got this random cough. Like, just straight random. I hate randomness in my life. Caesar, I'm glad you're tuning in, bro. Bray, I'm always feeling confident in the markets. I just want to make sure we're not going to chop today. Interesting way not to give the setup away. Bro, what are you talking about, Kingdom? What's up, Boulay? Good evening, sir. I told you my setup. Top chart, Renko bars. Bottom charts, 2 minute and the 5 minute. That's my setup for my screens.
Hey,
I'm looking for.
Just wake up with no coffee.
He clearly did.
Yo, try Bustelo, not that Starbucks shit.
We look for bull flags with momentum. That's it, bro. Like, I got nothing else to tell you. That's it. I'm sorry. I'm simple. I don't have all the. I'm not looking for.
Why are you trying to hide the flags?
No one's hiding them. They got form first. Just saying. Ule, how have you been, brother? Looking like we're trying to get a little bear flag here, possibly on that 2 minute chart. Want to see the bears start pushing that candle down. Because that'd be a nice little structure right there for a bear flag if they were trying to do one. Oh, 100%, bro. Oh, Nellies. Is this going to be a little bear flag? Come on, Betsy. Come on. I only got a couple more minutes for 9:45. Less than 10 minutes now. Maybe the market will just stay like right here and freeze for the next couple minutes so that way I could jump in on this bear flag. It's going to give it to. I'm going to have to turn away if it plays out right now. Ooh. I'm squinting. Oh, we just went through my yellow line.
1,500 on that trade.
I bet you did, sir. At least one of us got it.
How many contracts you have, yo?
1 million.
Dude, there's no way. Yo, I
Two
just
contracts, baby.
I had one contract and it was 380 at the most. Oh, you probably grabbed it from the top.
Yeah, I got in from 170. From 25 170 to now. So that's like a 30 40 point drop.
So there's that bear flag.
Yeah.
We went through my yellow line with that follow through, but let's see if we got that buying pressure stepping in. I would already been out, like G.
Yo, I jumped in real quick. I clicked out a 380, got 234. What the
Hey.
hell?
Hey, green's green, bro.
Green is green.
Green is green.
We're doing base hits here.
Hey, let's freaking go. Finally, you're talking dirty.
$50 is not a base hit. What is it? What was it?
$1's not a base hit.
Yeah.
You can't even cover fees with that.
Somebody was like, $200 not a base hit. Like, yo.
Yeah, it is. You do that 5 days a week. That's $1,000 a week.
Haters, yo. Where do you cook these haters? Yo, they're ready to roll.
All right, we're coming on down. We got this pivot point below us here. The 25,096.75. 96.75 is the pivot below us here. VWAP's below that. Look at that bear flag, though. Oh, Jesus. This is so painful right now. And then we're getting ready to possibly print another bear flag to give us confirmation that we're still going to go lower. All right, 5 more minutes, Duane. You got this. Only 5 freaking more minutes.
I think he wants to touch the VWAP.
I feel like that's a good possibility. VWAP sitting at 25,705. Well, actually 25,7525 to be exact. Brent, not anxious, excited. I'm like watching that first bear flag print and execute perfectly how I thought it would. It gets me excited for the next one. The market loves to repeat itself. Yeah, hopefully it waits for me, but this thing looked like it's not trying to wait. I'm not in. Yeah, I'm currently flat. I gotta wait till 9:45. It's a rule that I have for myself. But once we get to 9:45, I'm looking for another flag to print so I can execute a trade with momentum. Just base it in here. Abdullah, what's up? Red, sorry to hear that, bro. Were you fighting the market, bro? You have been fighting the market. Forecaster, I'm not looking for any direction. I just want confirmation of flags and momentum. We came down, touched that VWAP. I meant that pivot. Touch that pivot. Is this boom and crash? I can't say it's a boom and crash. Red, how were you trading, bro? Like, what type of strategy were you using? All right, we got that selling pressure. I got less than 3 minutes now to be cleared to trade. Oh, here's that pivot. Niner, honestly, nowhere. This is the easiest, hardest money you can ever make for yourself. It's only hard when you don't master the psychology, but once you do, this is easy, boys. Bro, Red, jump in the community, get on the builder's plan, take my strategy, use it for your own. It will print for you, bro. My win rate's 82%. Yeah, I only take normally one trade per account each day. All right, looking like another bear flag here. Ooh. Come on, give me 945. Give me 945. Actually, I'll post the link for the community. Hold on. It's in the description of all of our streams. But I'll post in both chats real quick the link to join. Loaded, you could join the community completely for free You can join the community completely for free, but on the free side, you don't get my full strategy. You could get my full strategy, how I set everything up, everything like that. I just posted it on the horizontal. Let me post on the vertical real quick, because yes, we have multiple streams going out all at once. $20. All right, both of those are pinned. There you go. Smooth, yeah, for $20. For $20, you get my whole strategy. The strategy is a video. The strategy is a video, and it tells you what I'm looking for as well on the Renko bars. When I'm looking to jump in, when I'm looking to jump out, everything like that. I don't need you guys buying my strategy and stuff for me to make money. That's why it's priced so low. I actually print money trading. All right, it's officially 9:46. Well, it's been 9:46, so I'm officially clear to trade here. Let me give you guys the low of this 15-minute range. 25,089.75 is the low of this 15-minute range. The high of this range is sitting up there at 249.75. 249.75. We're popping right back up here to this closest 21 EMA. The 21 is sitting at 167.50. So, slightly torn right now, slightly torn. Because with this strong green candle right here, I'm gonna have to get me another doodle. All right, we got 15 seconds till the new candle prints. That 21 EMA looks like it wants to get touched here. Oh, what was that? You saw that? Be careful, boys. That was crazy. That was crazy right there. I don't like that whatsoever. Yep, waiting for an A++ setup right now. That's it. All right, less than a minute left on this 2-minute candle here. Same with the 5 minutes, so those will be creating a new candle together. I need this candle to stay red, even if it's a small red body of it. I want it red, so the next candle could be green to rip us higher. Because we gotta have some momentum and get through that 21 in the middle of that 15-minute range. Less than 30 seconds now. Less than 30 seconds here. Let's see what we're going to get. Come on, Betsy. 10 seconds. Oh, okay. It said 10 seconds and then create a new candle. I don't get that, but okay. Awkward. Let's see if we just build some structure here.
Sounded like my son. I said something to him the other day, and he was like, awkward. I felt so weird. I'm like, what?
So you say I'm weird, bro?
No. I said I felt weird.
I just don't know how I feel about this spot we're in right now. I'm not feeling it right now, right here.
I think we're coming down, man, to be honest. I would assume. I would think so. Then we got to touch that VWAP. We haven't touched it yet, right?
Let's see if we get through that pivot. There's the pivot right there. We are through my yellow line, but we had that pivot. That's why I wasn't just jumping in on it. All right, we just broke out of the 15-minute range as well. Oh my God, bro. Oh, that's crazy. I wasn't liking how it wasn't looking like a flag for me right there. I'm watching this. Maybe if we, there we go. All right, cool. We just popped back into that 15-minute range. That was the retest. I like that. I do like that. Let's see if we get a little flag here. Oof, okay. Let me move my mouse off the button because I accidentally clicked yesterday and made 540 doing it by accident. Not trying to have an accident today. Brent, yes, my strategy is on the LWS, only on the paid tiers, If you do the builders here, that's the 20 bucks. You get my full strategy. We do one call a month as well, going over the strategy in a community setting. So everyone on the builders plan, we jump on a call once a month and we go over the strategy. Then the profit takers, we do multiple calls a month. And then the market makers, they trade live with me in the market. So the voices you hear on these streams, those are the market makers of the LWS. And for them, it's the fastest way to the profits because they're getting real-time information and help during the markets. Because we have a private Zoom call that they're on. Duane, what you playing, bro? I ain't playing nothing, fam. Hey, let's go, Israel. Let's go, boy. I want to see us lose that VWAP. If we lose that thing, I'm taking the short. This is the Nasdaq, bro. The Nasdaq prints, bro. If you know what to look for, it will print for you each and every day. There's the VWAP. I do not like that type of price action right there. That was, I don't know how I feel about that. Give me the follow through. Come on, Betsy. Come up on 10 o'clock as well. I want to get out of this trade in the next minute here because I hate being in trades at 10 o'clock. Come on, give me my flush.
O'clock is coming right now.
I know. I'm getting ready to close this.
Are you in a sell or buy? Are you? Yeah, get out of it.
Duane is good. Duane is good. It's back in. It's back down there.
Yeah, but at 10 o'clock is coming. That's the problem.
You good, Duane?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm getting ready to close this.
It's gonna go down. I feel like it's gonna go down though.
Yeah. No, but I get it. But to me, right, that 10 o'clock candle, that 4 o'clock candles coming up, that's strong, and we're sitting right on the VWAP, so it might retrace to be able before it comes back down. That's what I'm trying to say.
I close. I'm not sitting in that right there. I'm not sitting in that. I'd rather close out than wait for that 10 o'clock to hit and then it do something crazy.
Did you close in profit?
No, I took the L on that one because I'm not. No, thank you.
Yeah, that 10 o'clock is strong.
I don't even care about. I just hate being in trades at 10 o'clock. It's bad for business. Bad for business being in a trade at 10.
Absolutely.
There's 10 o'clock right there.
Just open.
We're above that pivot now. What's up, official? Hey, Rob, let's go, bro. I'm just here wasting time, dude, then leave. Bye.
If he's there wasting time, he has nothing else positive going on in the day. Now, go be productive. Go do push-ups.
Go do push-ups. We need to lose this VWAP here. We're just playing right now. We're like stuck below this 15-minute range in the VWAP. So we're pinned right now. What are you going to do, Betsy? Give us something here. Give us something. I feel like it's either going to rock it real hard, real fast. Something. Because right now we're just sitting right on top of this VWAP.
What up, what up, what up, what up?
What's up, Steve? Good morning, sir.
Great. I had to go see the doctor. Just a checkup. And they were all lagging. They were taking their sweet ass time.
Is the doctor okay?
Is the doctor okay?
Once you get past like Duane knows this since he's an old man, they start wanting to see you regularly. And it's like, and then they're like, it's just a bunch of crap because they just want to feed their, put money in their till. But I gave them my lab work and I said, let me go.
Well, you haven't really missed anything this morning, Steve.
I did try to sign in on the way back from the doctor, but it was like I could hear you, but you couldn't hear me. So.
Oh, okay.
Right. Yeah.
This consolidation on the 1 and the 2 is a little boring.
Yeah, but you know what? Compared to the obnoxious nature of telling them I'm not going to do no more labs in 6 months, I said do every year. It's great to hear Moose's voice. You know what I mean? My morning is good again.
Thank you, Steve. You're the man.
Oh, you're the man. You're like a Mac Daddy. He's like lifting a stack with like one tricep. He's just doing a single. He's just like.
Yeah, yesterday I did tricep push downs with 130 pounds.
Nice.
And he was doing that while he's standing on his head. I mean, it's out of control, this guy.
Listen, the most I've ever lost in my life is now, because I've always been in shape except for the last, I would say 2-3 years. I was 230 in December and I'm down to 214 as of 2 weeks ago.
That's awesome.
I'm trying to dig it down to 200.
Okay.
But just be ripped.
You got that, bro.
Well, I got some edibles. I'll come by later. You can be ripped by this afternoon. Just kidding, people on the internet.
That was a good one. I like that one.
So right now, this market is consolidating.
Is it getting ready for a retracement? Let's go live to Moose.
Forecaster, you trade personal funds, bro? This is super slow right now.
It's like when you dance with your girl. All right, can you give me the opening and closing range, and then I'll shut up? Well,
I'll give. The low of the range is 90, 25,090. High of the range is sitting up there at, there we go, 249.75, 249.75.
Thank you.
Forecast trade profits, bro. So you'll never feel that again, because that's not fun. Trust me, been there, done that.
Boy, this is lagging. I could have asked for more labs at the place.
You could have. Right now, this thing's trying to figure out what it wants to do.
Yeah, they were there, and they're like, "You put on weight," and I'm like, "Well, I'm weightlifting now, so." And I'm not
put muscle on.
I'm not trying to cut. I'm just I'm building my strength back, and then it's for me, and so they just left me alone. Like
I think we're dropping.
Yeah, I didn't get filled, which is so freaking annoying right now.
The turquoise line of death.
But it's a funded, so that's why I closed it. Forecast, I recommend trading prop firms over personal funds.
It's going back up, so not a worry.
But I would have made like $300 on a snipe.
Oh my goodness, 300, 400 at least on 3 accounts. I love that when
Duane makes it look easy, right? Dwayne makes it look
what
easy.
I love about Duane is
Everybody?
this, man. Duane will be like, "Oh, I made $230 on that, but through 6 accounts." Like, well, yeah, okay, no, but my favorite is like, "Oops, I clicked the button, I made $4,000, but I'm not happy about it because I'm like, well, you know what? If God wants to throw you a 4 stack, be cool with it, baby."
You may be right. You may be right.
You know I'm right. Duane and I go back, man. It's like insane.
That we do. Yeah, prop firms, bro. It's a way to trade without using personal capital. So a prop firm, you pass their test, like showing them you can actually make $3,000 profit in a 50K account. Your normal drawdown is $2,000 on the account. Once you show that you're able to actually trade, they will put you in a sim funded account that you can take payouts from. And you're only risking like $100. So we got these buying wicks down here, but we're below this pivot.
Hey, where's your pivot, baby?
My pivot on my trading view. Oh, what was that?
Oh, sorry.
96.75 is my pivot. 96.75 is my pivot. Oh my goodness gracious. Y'all saw that? First target's 25,950. Well, 25,975 actually. But I do not like this price movement right now.
Yeah, that was kind of wild.
Yeah, be careful, folks. This is not moving clean today. I need some flags. I need some momentum. I need something here.
Duane would like to see a clean flag.
Or else I may put like my ATM on.
You got my PIN number, sucker?
This is below that 15-minute range. Yeah, this is all consolidation right now, Travis. Consolidation happens before the move. But I need a flag right now. Forecaster, you're not losing their money because it's a sim funded account. Prop firms make their money off of bad traders that just keep paying for the tests that never get payouts. But if you're a good trader, you take payouts from the prop firms.
Look at the 15-minute candles, right? Look at all the gaps. There's a huge gap we have to fill at the bottom, going towards the bottom.
Well, yeah. And when he first said that candle was so tight, that candlestick, oh my god.
This is crazy.
Alexa, should I go long?
Should I go long?
Oh man. Who plays the violin?
I heard you
Play the
did.
violin? Man. Slow motion. I got things to do. We gotta work out again.
I gotta work out again.
Oh, listen. So far, every day, man. Almost every day, been working out.
No, that's really good.
But remember to get your rest days then, Moose.
I do like typically Wednesdays are my long days and Thursdays, but since today's kind of a little bit slow, so I'll probably work out today because I know Friday I'm gonna be busy. My son has soccer and I have work as well.
Well, you're very talented at what you do. You know that. So
Thank
it's
you.
just
Appreciate you.
yeah. When you see my hair, you'll run like.
Hey, question. The
Yeah.
18th.
Yeah.
For like 3 months, I kept forgetting because I didn't put it in my calendar. I have a kid's birthday party. What time are you doing the
We were gonna be doing for like 7:30.
at 7:30?
Yeah.
And we're gonna blow out the candles at 8.
All right, 7:30, and because it's by the hour, right?
I booked for like 2.5 hours.
Okay. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad.
Which one is it that you booked at? Because I know there's a couple of them around.
I did the one on iDrive.
Okay.
Okay.
Me and Moose are both like, damn.
Yeah. I was like, damn. the one on Lake Mary's right here, and everything I gotta do is right here.
I remember when I was Gander Mountain, they had that awesome shooting range they set up in there, and then it was like, as soon as they set that up, they like closed it down.
Yeah.
But
Remember. the shooting range in the back behind the counters, right?
Yep. And they had that live fire thing, and then all the tactical stuff. It looked pretty cool. I never did it.
I never noticed that it was going out of out of business. I mean, because it was it was always packed, always.
I bought a couple of beauties from there.
Nice.
By beauties, I mean sandwiches for my people that live in blue states.
Sorry for not watching the chat right now. I've been sitting in this trade for a hot minute here.
That's
Debating if I close out or not.
Are you in
I took a short. But I've been waiting. But we just been straight consolidating here.
Consolidation.
Oh my god. Do we have news?
We got news at 10:30.
Oh, that's probably why it's doing this. Okay, makes sense.
What news is it?
I can't look at it right this second.
Okay.
FOMs. Oh no. It's crude oil.
Well, that'll be interesting.
Yeah, because supposedly they came up with an agreement that they were gonna open up the strait for like 2 weeks or something, right?
Yeah.
So that may make everything go up.
Yeah.
Well, if crude oil goes up, Nasdaq will go down. If Nasdaq goes up, crude oil goes down.
Oh, okay.
Normally.
It does the opposite.
Yeah.
The market does the opposite. Okay. So I guess we're gonna go down. Just kidding, guys. In Alaska. Well, hopefully. Yeah, 'cause, I mean, it would make sense to go down because of the gap we need to fill on the 15. You notice a huge
The
gap.
15 is a scene.
Yeah, if you look at.
For a hot minute.
I'm getting ready to kill this. I'm not liking the price action.
Yeah, but you're not too far in. You don't have. Oh, I guess it is. You got in lower. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill
All
it.
right, you can't even see yet. Artemis 2. You there?
You lived?
Are you back? Are you coming back from the moon?
Party, bitch. Call me by my given name. Oh. Come on, Bessie.
Wow.
We're just sitting on top of this VWAP, just holding it.
That sounds like one of those like 80s R&B songs that like nobody completely got, but it was about something like nasty, baby.
Give me the full flush. Give me the full flush.
Oh, it is coming down.
Been sitting in this for way too long. Definitely not a micro scalp, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I would have to fight that if they claim that.
Oh, I'm freaking done. I'm
What?
freaking done. I closed at like $500. Got 130 bucks on that. That's
Hey,
so
hey,
freaking aggy.
Hey, hold on. In the words of someone else, green is green.
I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that, Moose.
You made $130 to sit around for a couple minutes, laugh with your inner circle, and click a button.
Hey.
Ungrateful
That's
bitch.
Aggie right there.
Green is green.
No.
Green
Next time I say that, y'all tell me to go F myself.
I said, hey, I closed out at 330, got 240. Green is green. I said, all right, I got you.
That's horrible. I closed at like $500. I got 130 bucks from
I'm telling
slippage.
you, but seriously speaking, I've noticed that Tradeify, when you go to close your position, it's lagging like a second or two. So you close out a little, like a second later, and that obviously that matters, you know? Is that
Yeah.
happening to you as well?
Sometimes, like, I'm annoyed
Yeah.
with that one right there because sitting in that trade for that long to get $130 is agonious.
Yeah,
Granted,
would you rather
granted,
just
in all reality, most people don't make 130 bucks in 15 minutes. Granted,
Yeah.
granted. But it is what it is. Right now, this thing's just consolidating. What's up, BP? Good morning, sir. Let me check this chat. Official, don't laugh at me, bro. Don't laugh. That was painful right there, bro. Brett was in for 8 minutes. Everyone was in that for a hot minute. Let me rotate.
They were just shaking the snipers loose. You know that.
No, right now this thing, hopefully it moves at like 10:30 because this thing right now is not doing anything. Protect your capital today. Protect your capital. Do not full ports move. Do not full port.
Is BP gonna come on the call and talk about his feelings on today, the Colonel?
I can tell you what he would say. Well, with the big move during the overnight session, right now it's looking like it's going to be chopping today. Like we have SMT on the Nasdaq and ES. So with that SMT, I'm like slightly bearish, but I need a confirmation. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know. I'm sorry, BP. Nothing but love.
Yo, I was in that trade for just as long as you, Duane, but I was in my micro, like 6 contracts deep. I made like $600. I'm like, all right.
Must be nice. Everyone's just showing off today. I'm just sitting here like, give me money. But the markets are playing. Yeah, I'm not going to push it. Because this chop is real, but happy for you, Jose. That was pretty good, beef. I need to work on it, Cap. I need to work on it, brother.
BP is incredible. The guy's like a machine.
We need some momentum, something. Like, I gotta really stay out of this right now because I'm sometimes good on chop days, but on certain chop days, I get chopped up. And right now, this is a complete chop day. Travis, don't be clown me. I know there's no flags right now, bro. I took a trade. I did. Made 130 bucks.
Duane does not see a flag.
I do not. Right now, this is a good time for you to go get a snack, something. Green is definitely green. I know that's not even a flag on the 5-minute, fam. That is not a flag on the 5-minute.
What about the 15-minute?
Let's take a look at the 15. I don't like those buying wigs.
You don't like anything right now.
I really don't. There's nothing to look at. Travis is playing solitaire. That's awesome. BP, I did see the market last night. Like, if it was moving when I would have been trading, oh, that'd been smoney's, bro. All right, we got 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes till 10:30 when we got news coming out for the U.S. So hopefully that moves the market somewhat. Because I got to see some movement, some flags getting printed for me to execute any more trades for today. Because I'm not feeling this anymore. Well, honestly, haven't been feeling it at all today. But I feel like we're just building up a lot of pressure right now for something big. When we're going sideways, just know something big's going to happen eventually. The question is, will we be here for it? All right, that candle got that buying wick on it. That 2-minute candle, same with the 5-minute. So, not trying to take it short into a buying wick. Bad for business. Bad for business. If we clear some of these previous candle wicks, then maybe. Well, look at that. They're all like lining up almost perfectly on that yellow line there. So definitely not taking anything right there. Thank you, Travis. Thank you for keeping me grounded this morning, sir. My dog Travis in the chat. No guessing. We wait for the poll, then the flag. You know, thank you, sir. You see me doodling. You know, if I'm doodling, I'm trying to keep myself out the market. Or just clicking the button. Yes, I click the button too, just like y'all. And I get excited, click the button. And today's one of those days when it's like, maybe we shouldn't click the button. I'm getting ready to do some jumping jacks or something in a minute just to occupy my mind. All right, I figured this would be a good time, actually. Does everyone have space where they're at around their computer? Let's take this higher. We're taking this higher, folks. Let's take this higher. Alrighty. Well, we're going to do some stretches. We're going to get the body moving because this market is not freaking moving.
Do yoga stands.
Anything not to take a trade. Anything not to take a trade. All right. Getting those shoulders nice and warm. My trainer would be proud of me. All right. Let's go ahead. Let's stretch that arm out. Let's get that chest stretch. You know, it's stressful clicking that button sometimes. You know what I'm saying? So, you're still short. Are you at least green? Hopefully you're green, fam. This is craziness today. Straight craziness. $30. Hey, green is green, as my community reminded me today. Let's see. Is this going to be it? Nope, not it. Not it. That's not it. All right. I got to do some more. Oh, I was ready to click the button right there. I was ready to click the button. This is getting stressful. I got to walk around.
Dude, you got to stretch it out, man. Do some
Right.
calisthenics.
Gotta. Like, this is painful today, boys. What's the best platform? Platform? I say, oh, okay. Are we getting ready? All right, we broke all those lows for those candles there. 1 second here. I always recommend Tradeify and Lucid for the prop firms to trade with. I always recommend those two firms over other firms. And on top of that, trade on Tradeify or Ninja Trader. I trade on both. When I'm home, I trade on Ninja Trader. When I'm traveling, I trade on Tradeify since it's web based. All right, this thing is absolutely chopping today, boys. All right. Woo. All right, we're finally clearing out that area we were sitting in. Hey, awesome, Jeremy. Congrats, bro. Congrats. Forecast, if you're trying to go with Tradeify, use code LWS. I'll get you 40% off your accounts. You're welcome. With Lucid, use code VAULT. That's not my code with Lucid. That's the company code that they have. That'll get you like 40% off as well. Come on, market. Give me some momentum. Like, I gotta stand up and just move a little bit because sitting down was getting me feeling a little antsy. You know what I'm saying? Forecaster, come back to tonight's Traders Hangout and we'll do a little bit more of a deep dive into prop firms for you to break it down for you. But it's the best way to trade. We got people on in the chat on YouTube right now that are part of my community that they were trading personal funds as well, right? They were trading personal funds as well. I put them on prop firms. Now they only trade prop firms because it's the best way to limit your risk in the markets and leverage and actually make more money, believe it or not. You guys didn't know you're getting a dance session today. You thought it was a trading session. But your boy's trying to do anything possible not to click the button.
I'm just not seeing the momentum.
It's not there. That's why you're not seeing it. And it's just painful. Like a day like today is annoying because last night we had that big old pump. We had the big old pump last night. So we were all hoping today that we would see some type of movement that we can execute on. But nada.
We're just gotta wait for the next candles and see what happens.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm down today like $400, which is very small, but still, it's slightly annoying because we haven't had any moves for me to make any more money.
You haven't put up your spurs just yet. You're standing.
I am standing. The things we do is stay safe in the markets.
Are you sure you don't have one of those foot activated mice?
I'm pretty sure. Hey, Warrior, you ain't red, bro. You ain't red. Like, that's a positive. That's a positive, fam. All right, are we gonna get some movement here? Smooth. I don't know why you're still in, bro. No clue at this point. You've had a couple opportunities to get out in the green, bro. Sometimes it's better just to sit on the sidelines. Are we getting ready to get a little drop here? LWS for Legacy Wealth Society. LWS for Tradeify. Alrighty, are we going to get some continuation here? Yeah, Duane, don't do that. Don't almost click. Jesus. Have a good one, Smooth. Talk to you tomorrow, bro.
I don't see your mouse hand.
The hands are up. The hands are up.
By the way, with all this excitement, how are you feeling? Are you doing okay? Feeling better?
Yeah, definitely feeling better. But I pretty much kicked the food poisoning late yesterday. But now I've had like this random cough. Like forecast, yes. Yes, it is possible. My saying is $1,000 a day keeps the bills away, sir. But in order to do that, we gotta have clean markets. And today's not a clean day. Because we simply base it here. We stack wins each and every day to take payouts with all the prop firms we trade with. And maybe today is a slight good day for me because it's making me where I take the pressure off of trying to get a payout on Friday because I was trying to take a 6K payout on Friday between Tradeify and Lucid. But with the market conditions today, it makes me not want to trade. So that means that'll push me back to like Monday, Tuesday next week. So that takes pressure off. And I'm okay with that. So we got some buying wicks there on that 5 minute, but I need 11 o'clock to hit so I can get off because.
Well, we know that the market could change, so that's why you're still standing here.
That is true. That is true. Come on, Betsy. What a day. What a day of nothingness. Have a good one, Brett. All right, Travis, have a good one as well. Everyone's walking away. Man, they must be learning from these streams. Well, I should probably walk away too. Oh, you're talking to Smooth, Brett? Copy. Copy, copy. Rob, see you tonight, bro. Have a good one, Rhonda. You're waiting for 200 at least. Hey, from your lips to God's ears, fam. Right now, this is brutal. Here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk over to the bear, right? And I'm gonna look that way. When the market starts moving, yell for me, market makers, because when I turn away, that's when the market should start doing something, hopefully. Let's see if this works. We got to trick the market into thinking I'm not watching.
Look, the market just moved.
Unbelievable. It be your own people. I got excited, Moose.
run.
I'm like, dang, that was quick. The market makers are really watching today. But you made me run too early. I gotta stretch the hammy now. You know what I'm saying? I gotta stretch it out.
Just gonna go make some breakfast.
Nothing like a chop day. Yeah, I can't even call anything out because there's nothing to call out. Like, this is wild.
Little show. Gonna come down.
No. Are we going to start getting some momentum to the downside here? I need some mo. I need some momentum.
Uh-oh.
As soon as I said it, we got green Renko bars printing. So disregard, folks. Disregard. All right, we got that 21 EMA sitting at 69.50. VWAP sitting currently at 78. We'll say 78 on my trading view here. Just looking at possible things we could target here. Hey, Warrior, go get the Lambo Hot Wheels, bro. Put it on your desk. Let it motivate you. Tell yourself one day I'm going to have a bigger one of these. So right now the low is 25,026.75. 25,026.75. Yeah, we need some momentum. All right, sorry. Yeah, I don't know, boys. I may have to get off the stream early so I don't take any trades. Eval. I like the way you're thinking, Brett. But I'm also waiting to see if we get a move so I can put some money in this account. This funded account. Because I need less than like $900 for another 2K pay on this Lucid account. It's John Wicken. All right. I had our first target from the 15-minute range set at 25,975. We're just like creeping closer and closer to it with no speed or momentum. It's crazy. It's sideways slanting pretty much. Let's see how we react off this first target. All right, we're through it. Hey, let's go, Yaz. Awesome. At least someone made some money a day.
Coming up on a whole number, baby.
Oh yeah, I'll say I made about 1,500 on my micros.
Woo.
Doing pretty good adding up those contracts.
Hey, let's go, Jose.
Yeah, I'm just trying to do that risk management and make sure that if I were to lose anything, it'll be something minuscule compared to the minis.
Yeah, I feel
that's
that.
cool, man.
And what's cool with the micros, you could scale in and scale out as well.
Yeah, that's been working for me. I've been coming up with a little technique on that. Like I'll be down like 500, and then I'll buy a couple contracts more short, and they'll come down a little bit, and instead I'll pull out with maybe down 80 rather than 500.
Okay.
But it's been working.
Hey, as long as it's working, that's all that matters. All right. 11 minutes out, and then I'm getting off here.
Yeah, 11 minutes, and then you'll roll the dice to see, because people love you and they count on you.
No, I'm getting off right at 11. This has been torture a day.
Damn, you're just like you're being like a pill.
Come on, Betsy. What's up, Kenny? Today's been a slow chop day. Looking like we're getting a bear flag here. Come on, Betsy. 8 minutes left. Well, actually 9 minutes left. Just under 9 minutes left for 11 here. We need something. If not, what a day. Your boy started to sweat just looking at the markets.
It touched your line.
It did touch the line, but we need follow through.
Look, it's getting there.
It's getting there.
That was $50. Shit. Out of
That's not a base hit though.
What happened to my speaker? What the heck? Can't hear you.
$310 on that one. Something's on the board, but
The market heard that song coming strong.
Like Miami Vice.
but that was not a comfortable 310 hit right there. That was not comfortable. I did not feel comfortable with that one.
Will
I
you take
jumped
that
in.
money?
I'll take it.
I jumped in. I went to close out at 210. I got $50.
Bro, that happened to me on my last trade, bro.
Green is green.
It is, but we sometimes want more green.
Yeah, of course. Sure. For sure.
So now on that account, you're being ungrateful today. No, well, let me help you, Michael. I'm just messing with you. Welcome, by the way. No, I had a trade earlier today where I was up 480. I closed out. I only got $130 on it. Mind you, I sat in that trade for like 15 minutes. And you all know I don't sit in trades that freaking long. So it annoyed me, to say the least. And of course, my market makers and legacy, they were telling me, bro, remember, green is green. Yes,
We're quoting your gospel back to you, you jive turkey.
I know green is definitely green. But in that situation for me, I was annoyed.
If you're going to be the pastor of the flock, you got to live it before you give it.
I know, and I do live it. I am thankful for that $130. It's just knowing that it could have been 480. That's all. It's not that I'm mad that I made $130 because, mind you, $130 in 15 minutes, that's more than what most people make in an hour. 2 hours, 3 hours. But
Hey, look at that. Starting to move again. What's your next target?
I got a target all the way down there at 929.50. Let's see if we get a slight pump up here before we keep going down. I'll be okay with that.
I'd like to see a flag.
$150 a month. Oof. More power to you, brother. Let's see if we get a bear flag down here. Or are we just going to keep stair stepping down?
Why?
I'm hearing voices in my head. Oh, it's Moose.
I'm so mad. I saw it and I was like, should I take it? And I'm like, nah. Now I regret it because I should have taken it.
What in the world? Yo, that's slippage, bro. Yo, I'm getting tired of slippage today because I was about to be like 400 or 280 something on 5 accounts. Hey, I made 50 bucks on sub, 40 woo, on 5 accounts. Oh, that's just the day we've been having today.
Are you green today now?
I am green.
And yeah, you made money today. Yes. Are you gonna spend your money? Yes.
No, my girl spent my money.
Oh, now it's
she spends some money. I produce some money. I know, boys. This thing's been crazy today. I'm sorry for everyone that walked away and came back to see it. Sorry, I moved a little bit.
So annoyed.
All right, I got 3 Lucid accounts that all got 800 in them. I'm locking myself out for the day. I'm good.
Hey, let's go. Are those evals or funded?
Those are evals, so I'm trying to keep the consistency.
Yep, base it, bro. Base it.
That's it.
Time to lock out. Get back to work. Real world.
Well, you have a good rest of your day, sir.
Yeah, have a good one,
y'all
Corona.
too. All right, Artemis.
Are we getting ready to get another bear flag? We tapped that second target and popped right back up off of it. Look at that wick.
Yeah, that wick is something.
Mm-hmm. All right, just locked in over 200 bucks. That was on over 5 accounts. Let me make sure the copy trader worked properly. Yep. I'll show down the horizontal real quick. So red in one account, green in a couple others. Not the cleanest day, but we'll still take it. We'll still take it. Thankful we had another day of trade. And it's officially 11 o'clock. And then it's still going now. We got that 21 EMA up there, sitting at the 29.25 level. I would expect us to at least possibly go up there and test that area. Most likely rejection. But I think at this time for me, this would be a good time for me to walk away, so I don't give any money back to the market makers today.
I feel like you're licking your chops.
No, I gotta get off this. So I'm gonna go prepare for my workout, handle some work stuff real quick for some of the businesses.
What's it like on your side of town? Is it like cloudy and gross looking?
Not right now. It's looking pretty sunny outside.
Something might be coming down range depending on which way the wind's blowing.
Well, we were supposed to get rain like all day today, which hasn't been raining today, so which was slightly weird.
Kind of got gray sky over here, but
okay. Yeah. Oh, actually, I stand corrected. We got some gray skies coming in from your side of town. I can off in the distance. I see grayness.
Hey, you're welcome, baby.
So when it gets here, I'll say, Steve, send it to me.
Yeah, I would. Come on, that's not true. I would never do that.
All right,
Well,
guys.
Thank you for
Sorry.
everything, and I'm glad to really stoked to hear the voice of the legend Moose twice in a row.
Yeah. Well, we love when Moose is on. All right, market makers, enjoy the rest of your days. Stay safe in the markets. I will catch y'all tomorrow.
This is gonna be my last day of the week to this week because tomorrow is Friday. I gotta get into.
Okay.
I gotta start my day early.
Well,
He's
But,
gotta work his tricep.
Wayne, Saturday,
Yeah.
9:30.
yes, sir. That works.
He has to work his triceps, so he'll be off the call.
Today I'm gonna do the shoulders.
All right, BP, have a good one.
All right, guys, see you later.
All right, market makers, have a great rest of your day. See you tonight for the Traders Hangout. Be blessed.
Yeah.
Reminder for the YouTube, we got tonight's Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. Hopefully you enjoyed today's session, even though we were chopping pretty much the entire session. Stay safe in the markets, and I will catch you all tomorrow. Be blessed, everyone. Have a great rest of your day.